Hi everyone! In this video, we will classify solutions to a quadratic equation. Use the discriminant to determine the number and type of solutions of the following quadratic equation. The discriminant is a formula given to us as b squared minus 4ac. And the a, b, and c come from the quadratic formula or equation next to us in descending order, making sure that the x squared comes first, then the x, and then no x. So this is in descending order. And so the coefficient in front of the x squared is a, the coefficient of the second term with just an x is b, and the coefficient without an x is c. The number that we get after we calculate the discriminant tells us what type of solutions we'll get. So if we end up going through the discriminant and we get a 0 after we've calculated it, this tells us that we will have a single or one rational solution. If we go through the discriminant and we get a positive square, a number that's a perfect square, so that would be 4, that's 2 times 2, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 is 25. If it's a perfect square, then we get 2 rational solutions. If we go through the calculations and we get a positive, but it is not a square, so not a perfect square, this tells us that we will have 2 irrational solutions. And then if we go through it and we get a negative number, whether it is a square or not, it doesn't matter. This will give us 2 complex solutions. Complex meaning that I have a part of an imaginary portion of the number. Those are all of the options that we can get. And then let's go ahead and calculate it. So we'll put it into the discriminant. B is 15, so we'll substitute B, 15 squared, and making sure that every time we substitute, we put parentheses around what we're substituting into the equation. So then we have minus 4, parentheses around the A and parentheses around the C. The A is 2 and the C is 25. Now 15 squared is 225, and then 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 times 25 is 200, so minus 200. 225 minus 200 is 25. 25 is a perfect square, so we can come over to our list and we see that a perfect square, a positive perfect square, gives us 2 rational solutions. So now we have the number and the type of solution, and we're all done.